What did Zelenskyy say about the massive Russian strike warning in Kyiv? His response reveals how Ukraine prepares for imminent threats and keeps hope alive amid danger. When Kyiv received massive Russian strike warnings, President Zelenskyy addressed the nation to calm fears. He stressed the importance of staying alert but not succumbing to panic. His message focused on resilience, reminding citizens that Ukraine has faced tough challenges before and that unity is key to overcoming them. This approach was designed to maintain morale and prevent chaos during a critical moment. Following Zelenskyy's message, authorities ramped up air defense systems around Kyiv. Early warning systems were tested and civil defense alerts sent to residents. Shelters were prepared, and emergency services stood ready. These steps demonstrate how the city prioritizes safety and rapid response to mitigate the effects of any missile strikes or attacks. Beyond physical defense, Zelenskyy emphasized the mental fortitude required during ongoing threats. He acknowledged the stress civilians face, but insisted that hope and resolve are powerful weapons against intimidation. His leadership underlines how psychological resilience helps Ukrainians survive and push back despite overwhelming odds. Zelenskyy's words reveal more than just a warning. They show a nation's spirit to stand strong when faced with danger. His blend of calm leadership, practical defense, and inspiring hope keeps Kyiv ready and resilient. For more daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now.